Hello creators, in this step-by-step tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to create this stunning map animations on your mobile phones for free. And even if you're a complete beginner, by the end of this video you'll be able to make professional-looking map animations. To download high-quality maps for your animation, just go to vmaps.com. That's vemaps.com. Once the website opens, scroll down and you'll see a big collection of free maps, from countries to continents. I downloaded the Europe map from here, and the best part? It is completely free and ready to use in your animation. Choose the map you need. I like this one with border lines. Open it, scroll down, tap download, and it will be saved to your phone. Now open the Files app on your phone. You should see the downloaded zip file right there. Just tap on it once, and your phone will automatically unzip the folder. Inside, you'll find the map image ready to use. Easy, right? Save it to your phone, and let's jump into the editing part now. Open your CapCut app and start a new project. Go to Library and select this black image as a background. Here I am increasing the duration so that I don't need to do it again and again. Now I am adding an overlay. I will add this black background with grid which I had downloaded earlier. I will resize it with my fingers, pinch and zoom. To make it look more natural, click on Splice, and I am choosing Lighten. I will increase the duration for this too. Now hit Overlay and add the Europe map which we downloaded earlier. I will resize the map like this with my fingers, pinch and zoom, and place it on the side. Now I want to make the map look more cinematic, so I'll scroll to the right and tap on Adjust. Here you can play with graphs. Just tweak the settings like I am doing here until the colors pop the way you want. The colors look perfect now, nice and bold. Next, I'll increase the duration of this map clip so it stays on screen a bit longer. Just tap on the clip, then drag the edge to extend it. Super simple. Then I'll add an animation effect so the map doesn't just appear, it slides in smoothly. Just tap on the clip, go to Animation, then choose the effect you like. I'm using this one because it gives a clean and professional entry, but it makes a huge difference. It will look like this after the animation is added, smooth and clean. Now I'll move the map to one side of the screen so we have space to add zoom effects later. This makes the animation feel more dynamic and keeps the viewer's attention. Now to bring this map to life, we'll add keyframes. I'll add the first keyframe at around 1.5 seconds and then another one at about 3.5 seconds. Between these 2 points, I'll pinch and zoom in on the map to create a smooth zoom-in effect. This simple animation adds energy and makes the map feel more dynamic. It looks like this, perfect. Now we want to add some depth by zooming in the background too. To do that, we'll add keyframes at the same points as the map, 1.5 seconds and 3.5 seconds. Then, just like with the map, we'll pinch and zoom the background image at each keyframe to match the zoom effect. Now let's add the France map with the flag as an overlay. I've already downloaded it from vmaps.com, so I'll just import it. Once it's on the screen, I'll resize and position it to cover the area where France belongs on the map. Right now, the France map appears suddenly, but we want it to show up smoothly. To do that, I'll scroll to the right, hit Mask, and select the circle mask. I'll shrink the mask to its smallest size. Here I will hit Adjust and add 50% feather. And then add a keyframe at the beginning of the clip to start the smooth reveal. Then I'll add another keyframe further along, increase the mask size, and reduce the feather to 0 for a sharp, clean edge. This will make the France map appear gradually. Now that the map looks great, let's add some extra spice and make it glow. To do that, I'll go back to the main menu, hit Effects, and choose an effect called HDR2. Once it's applied, I'll select Object, then choose the France map as the object to apply the effect to. This will make the France map shine and stand out even more. Here, I'll extend the effect just like we did with the other elements. But right now, the effect looks a bit too strong and overpowering, so I'll tap on Adjust and reduce the glow to 20%. I'll also fine-tune the other settings just like I'm doing here, to make sure the effect enhances the map without stealing the spotlight. Here, I'm also increasing the duration of the France map so it stays longer on screen, but right now it looks too small, so to add more motion and focus, I'll use keyframes to zoom in. And here comes the main point to note. You should add the first keyframe at around 7 seconds on all your elements, then another at about 9 seconds, and zoom into the France map to really highlight it. Once zoomed, I'll adjust the position so it sits exactly where France belongs on the base map. This is how our animation is looking so far, clean, smooth, and dynamic, but it's not complete yet. Now we'll add the vignette effect to give the whole animation a more realistic and focused look. Just go to Effects, then tap on Video Effects and search for Vignette. Once you find it, apply the effect. Then hit Object and select All Videos so it applies across the entire timeline. Finally, extend the effect till the end of your video. This adds a smooth, cinematic frame around everything, perfect for finishing touches. And this is the final result of our map animation, created entirely on a mobile phone. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. I reply to every single one. And if you learned something new today, make sure to subscribe for more mobile editing tricks and tutorials.